This review is for the Summer Infant Custom Fit Gate in gray. I purchased 2 sets which came with 6 panels, and I assembled them together to make a rectangle. I set this up for my twins when they were about 8 months old, and they are now 16 months old, and it has held up really well. It's easy to open and close with just one hand. It's extendable, so you can make it fit the space that you need, and it's very easy to assemble. Each panel assembles with 2 separate hinges. The top one screws in and the bottom one clicks in. It also comes with all the pieces that you need to attach the gate to a wall. One of the main reasons I picked it was because it was the nicest looking gray gate.